Hello, and welcome to the step-by-step guide to unboxing your Whittaker Smart Care Trio system. First, open the box and remove the handle parts and power cable for assembly. Your Whittaker system will also be equipped with 4 screws, 4 washers, and an Allen key wrench. To connect the top and bottom pieces of the handle, place the washers onto the screws. Tighten the screws securely into place using the wrench. Locate the base of the handle attached to the machine. Lift the handle into an upright position until you hear a click. Take the newly assembled handle and carefully place it onto the machine. Lift the lock sleeves and secure tight by twisting the lock sleeves into place. Now, locate the small cable attached to the base of the machine and connect it into place. Attach the small cord on the handle to the machine. Take the power cable and fit it snugly into the bracket. Carefully twist the plug to secure it in place. To easily remove the machine, carefully tip the system onto its wheels and roll it out of the box. Now that the machine is unboxed, connect the power cable to the machine and twist to lock it into place. To protect the cable plug connection, be sure to thread the cable into the strain relief. To operate, plug in the Trio and be sure to check that the green light is on. Hold the spray handle to ensure that the sprayer is functioning. A blue light will turn on, indicating the sprayer is in use. To run the machine, press the foot pedal and slowly lower the handle. The brushes should be running at full speed. You're all set! Thank you for choosing Whittaker for your interim maintenance needs. Be sure to check out our encapsulating crystal chemistry at www.whittakersystem.com.